Oh, bro, it's 6:45. I've worked a 12-hour, 45-minute day. I'm beat. I'm gonna get in the car, run to the beach. Yeah. I'll talk to you when I'm at the beach. Yeah, really long day for me. Oh my God, I'm all flat. I don't even know how to talk. Hopefully I can get to the beach and there'll still be some sunlight. I don't even know what to say. Oh, but I have some cool updates to say. Let me think for a second. Ooh, this is really me. So, I went to the dealership a few weeks ago and I put in an order for a brand new Porsche 911. They were kind enough to give me an allocation, put in my deposit, put my name in order, and when my allocation comes up, I'm gonna get a new car. Can't even see that. Oh my God, blinded. Dark. The sun will set by the time I get to the beach. 6:57. I think I got like 8 minutes. It's like unless I do something stupid, it's gonna take 15. But it's already getting cooler, so which makes me feel better. Stuck in traffic, trying to drive polite. Starting to smell the ocean. I'm only a few miles away now. But we get to the ocean before it gets too cold for me. I'm tempted to. Those cars. I'll get there soon enough. Gotta relax. Very stressful day. Long day. Normally my days are pretty easy. Today just happened to be a day where not everything went as planned and it was a double shift day, you know? That happens. It will be a nice sunset. I'm super excited. I think I'm going to make it. Oh, this is going to be good. You're very welcome. And I didn't have to drive like a total a-hole. Scare the grandma in the Prius in front of me. Oh, I think it's now, what, 76 degrees? Oh, yeah. It was like 84 at my house. This feels good. And when I get down to the beach, it'll be even cooler. Like my tan. There we go. Now everything's better. There we go. Now that I'm all better, hope you have a good day. Do something to make your day better, especially if it's a tough day. I had a tough day, but it's all okay now. Porsche speed run down to the beach. Toes in the sand. Yeah. The next video I'm going to make is about the service I did on my white Porsche. It didn't quite go as planned. Saved a bunch of money. It's going to be a really long video because it took something that's supposed to take 2 hours, took 5. So that's not easy to edit because I use 2 cameras. So that's like 10 hours of footage and it's really hard to trim that down. Just go this slower. Very cool area. See it? Hello, buddy. See that? Little sea turtle. All right, now that I'm feeling better, whew, man, it was a tough day. But I think I already said that. Got some cool stuff coming up. I'm trying to save money because I did order a new 911. It'll probably come in 2024. I was gonna make a video about it, but all the footage had funny audio. And this probably has funny audio because there's like multiple people at the beach playing loud music, which is not quite typical, but not untypical because the Hawaiians like the loud music. It's just loud hippity hop music, which is not normal. Oh, well, it's a moment. And that was it. Made it. Just gonna sit here for a few minutes, try and get the sand to dry off my feet so I don't put too much sand in the car. Oh man, it's amazing how much better the day can be if you put your feet in some nice cold water at the beach and hear the sound of the ocean. I don't know how those of you who live far away from the ocean can mimic that. I guess you could put your feet in the bathtub and listen to the sound of the ocean. Or you can just watch this video. I don't know. Not the most Porsche car related video I've made in a while, but hey, it's just me. The car did a good job. Awesome for a beach car.